Gautam Buddha said, "Anand, understand this carefully. Just like those people did, we too have to encourage each other in life. This is to believe in yourself and in the other person. By doing this, the life of all of us becomes better." Gautam Buddha was traveling with his favorite disciple Anand. The path was rocky at times. There were also climbs and forks. Both wanted to reach the destination before sunset. Then Anand saw a farmer. Anand asked the farmer, "Brother, how far is the village from here? We are coming after a very long journey." The farmer said, "Don't worry, only 2 more miles are left. Then you will reach the village." Anand saw that, Gautam Buddha, and the farmer smiled at each other. Both of them greeted each other and then went on their way. Anand did not ask anything from Gautam Buddha. Both of them keep moving forward. They covered more than 2 miles while walking, but there was no sign of the village. Anand started feeling that we have lost our way. Then Anand saw an old woman. Anand asked, "Mother, how far is the road to the village?" The old woman said, "Son, it is not even 2 miles from here. Consider that you have reached." Once again, Gautam Buddha and the old woman started smiling at each other. Anand did not understand the meaning of the slow smile, but still, he did not ask anything. Another 2 miles were covered while walking, but no village was visible far away. Now Anand felt that we had lost our way. Anand again asks a man on the way, and then the same answer is received. "It is not very far. You are just about to reach the village." For the 3rd time also, there were smiles on the faces of Gautam Buddha and that man. Anand was distraught after seeing this. He kept the luggage there and said to Gautam Buddha, "I am very tired. I feel that we will not be able to cover this 2-mile path." Anand said to Buddha with some hesitation, "I have been living with you for many years, and I know very well not to ask you unnecessary questions, but I request you to answer one of my questions." Gautam Buddha said, "Ask whatever questions you have in your mind." Anand said, "Why did you smile after seeing the farmer first, who had said that the village was 2 miles away? Then you smiled looking at that old woman, who had said that there were not even 2 miles left to go. And then the 3rd person also smiled, looking at you. What does all this mean?" Gautam Buddha smiled and said, "We all have a profession. We all do the same work. So when I smiled, they also smiled." Anand asked curiously, "What's that work?" Gautam Buddha said, "Our work is to encourage people, to maintain enthusiasm among people." Gautam Buddha further said, "For true, lasting happiness, one has to travel deep within one's mind. And this journey is not easy. Here, due to fatigue, there is a desire to stop again and again. Tiredness is because every moment a person has to overcome desires and distractions that cause pain, have to try again and again. Only then does a person become entitled to peace, happiness, and joy. So keep going with determination. In this perseverance, effort, and enthusiasm for the right goal play a major role. Laziness and procrastination can be overcome only through effort and enthusiasm. In order not to lose your enthusiasm, all 3 of them said that only 2 miles were left. Anand, while doing 2 miles, you will never know when you will cover 200 miles. Anand said, "So did they lie to us?" Gautam Buddha said, "Anand, this is a very deep thing. Understand it carefully. Just like those people did, we too have to encourage each other in life. This is not lying at all. When you see that the road ahead is very long and difficult, and traveler has been walking on this difficult path for a long time, then you don't tell them that the road is very long. Just tell them that you are walking on the right path. Just walk a little more, and you will reach your destination." This is not lying to them. This is to boost their morale. This is to believe in yourself and in the other person. By doing this, the life of all of us will become better. Because by working with dedication, by working with patience, and by working with determination, success becomes certain. Friends, there are many such people around us who need our support and our love, because everyone is working hard to achieve their dreams and goals. And who knows, they are facing many problems and difficulties in their life. They could be our friend, family member, or loved one. But when we support and love them, our feelings give them a new energy and enthusiasm, which is enough to change their lives. Therefore, friends, always keep supporting your loved ones and others, due to which you also get inner happiness, courage, and love. If you enjoyed this story, please consider subscribing to VidGrowth and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your insights and any stories. Until next time, be positive and keep moving forward.